So for today's video, I'll be talking about the properties of a microscope and the characteristics of a microscope as well. First off, I'd like to talk about the properties of a microscope. So the microscope has two properties. They're called magnification and resolution. Magnification is when it makes the image much bigger for you to see. Instead of seeing an image farther away, it magnifies the image, so it makes the image look bigger, so you can see it in a much bigger view. There's also resolution, where you see the finer details of the image. Instead of just seeing the image as it is, you see the smaller, more detailed aspects of the image that you have. Now, for example, let's say there's the letter E. Magnification can make the letter E much bigger, and resolution, which is actually interdependent with magnification, you can see the much finer details of the letter E. And then now I'm going to start talking about the characteristics of a microscope. So right here I have an image of a microscope. And to start off, if you see right here, this is the ocular lens. This is what you see through to see the image. So you put your eyes right here and you just look at the image down here. And so the ocular lens is actually magnified already 10x. So that means it is magnified 10 times. Next, you have the objective lens. Now these are more specific. Each lens that you see right here magnify in a more specific magnification. For example, each of them have like a little band, and each band has a different color. So red has 40. So the red means 4x, and then there's also a yellow one that is 10x, and then there's a blue one that's 40, and then the last one is white, and that's 100x. And then below that is the stage. This is where you put the slide on the microscope so you can see through the lens. And then next to it, you see there's a stage clip. And the stage clip is important because it holds the slide together. That way you can move the stage up and down or side to side so you could have a better view of the image. Now, if you see right here, this little knob right here is the coarse adjustment knob. This coarse adjustment knob basically changes the focus of your lens so you could see it, I guess, the detailed parts and much better view of the image. And lastly, this is the lamp. It's also called the illuminator. It's a light that shoots up through the slide, and that way you can see the image. And that's all I have for today. Thank you.